In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So the procedure is very easy and quick. So you can get up to 91% discount. What you have to do is to simply click on an amazing discount link for Hostinger mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive discount link for Hostinger, you will be led to a page like this. Now, this is Cody AI, which is just an AI help tool by Hostinger. I'm going to make it short so you can have a clear vision regarding Hostinger deals. Once you click over here, you will be landed to a page like this. Again, make sure to click on the special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. And now I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 91% discount. So first of all, look around at 30 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing thing from Hostinger. Now see the reviews for Hostinger on Trustpilot. Now 69,000 reviews on Trustpilot is something really big, and 4.7 ratings is another very good thing. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. After 27 years of being a GoDaddy customer, I never thought I would have to switch hosting providers. You can see the hosting is very affordable as well as reliable. And this is one of the reasons why I'm using Hostinger from the last 5 years. So now scroll below. These are some of the websites where Hostinger is being featured. Now Hostinger also supports Hostinger Horizons, which is just an AI tool to create your websites and web app. And now scroll below. Hostinger also supports WordPress. Even my own blog is in WordPress, and Hostinger also has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, just click on the link in the description, use this and move to migrate to Hostinger over here. And whether you have a single website or 100 website, Hostinger is going to shift all of that to free of cost. Now do a market comparison and see how much discount you're getting. Even with this, that they are not charging you for any thing for website migration service. So now scroll below. And now coming on to the main part, and these are the plans. Now all of these Hostinger discount plans, you are getting amazing discount already because you have clicked on a link in the description. Now you are going to get up to 91% discount, and I'm now going to tell you. 30 days money back guarantee is valid on all of the plans. You can cancel anytime. 24/7 support is included. I'm using business plan, so which is why I recommend business plan, but you can use other plans as well. It's been my 5th year and I'm very happy with Hostinger. Now you can see it's 79% right now. Once you select the choose plan, I'm going to make it more than 91% for you guys, so you have to stay with me on this. So once I select the choose plan, now you can see I'm now redirected to another page. And now over here, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. My recommendation is, because these are special exclusive prices for my audience, so I want you guys to take the maximum benefit out of it. So for the 48 months, you can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. These are special discount prices for my audience. After this, you can claim your free domain free for the first year from over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as Age panel. But please keep in mind, the free domain is only valid for the first year. So make it 1 year, so do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. After this, see your order summary over here. So it was 79% over here. Now add the daily backup value and do your math yourself. And now and other coupon code as well, which going to save you additional discount on already running discount deal at Hostinger. So 79 plus 10, 89 plus daily backup and free domain. Do your math yourself. It's more than 91% technically. There is another coupon code as well, HI1. You can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing 91% discount at Hostinger. So after this, see your 30 days money back is valid. Simply select the continue and move on to the last part. Once you select over here, you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, or need to create a new account at Hostinger, or synchronize with a Google account. But since already synchronized, which is why I'm at the last part. And now I'm going to write my billing details over here. But before I write, I need to see my order summary over here. My discount is loaded. Everything is fine as per my what the order I did. Now simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment methods. Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, you can pay by PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, Apple Pay, CoinGate for crypto payments. So guys, you have variety of payment methods too. This offers you how much flexible they are. They even offer country specific further additional payment programs as well. And let's say I'm going to credit card. I'm simply select the add a credit card, add a new payment method, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, this is a special limited time discount deals from Hostinger, so make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the discount coupon code to enjoy this amazing discount deal. So these discount deals are valid for limited time, so again, this is for my audience, so make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing discount based hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with 91% discount. Good luck.